absolute relief that people had kind of stepped up, and it wasn't sitting on his shoulders to drive. Yeah. There were others that were quite happy to put themselves in the driving seat. And the process, I think, also gave them permission to do that.
I feel after this, we'll take this experience and we'll certainly develop on our relationships and also the company itself and how we're going to make each other everything better. And
I think ultimately we had a lot of fun. I mean, there's obviously moments when you're doing this that it could make you feel a bit uncomfortable because you're bringing up some questions about the business that, might be a bit iffy or tricky for some people.
And also tap into a much deeper part of how we work together, and I'm really grateful.
Team cohesion and making sure that we're still collaborating together and all communicating the same trajectory towards a common goal.
It seemed like it worked pretty well. I haven't received any negative feedback from anyone. Everyone thought it was pretty good and worthwhile to do.
And it really can get a deep and meaningful idea and appreciation of every single team member on a different level.
Shone a light on many different facets of the business that I think we can improve on. The investment into the business personally from everyone's really exciting. Everyone's so passionate.
And then I was thinking, once we get that, then we understand what's important to all them. Overall, we would also make sense and calibrate that against our current value set.
Ultimately, the team were amazing and were very respectful of one another, which I think just says great things about the team. So I come away feeling really good about that.
It's around building our sense of belonging. It's around actually improving our engagement. So I think that was incredibly helpful. It gave people suddenly a purpose. There's some wonderful, wonderful and talented thinkers out there. And this process actually helped us recognise that.